We are pleased to show you the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.